Hello, I'm Sean from Plumbing Gas Australia. We're here at Kiala, Toowoomba, just here showing you guys our new CX60C excavator we've just purchased off EEA. We're very happy with it. It's an unbelievable machine, very versatile, and can't talk more highly of EEA and the machines that we've got from you guys. So thank you very much. We cover civil earthworks, plumbing, NBN, networks, APA, gas lines and water infrastructure. We cover from Toowoomba, Brisbane, anywhere throughout Queensland we can cover, mainly Toowoomba, but if we're required anywhere else we'll travel to wherever the work is. If anyone needs to get in touch with us, visit our website www.plumbingandgasaustralia.com.au and you can view everything that we do online, from earth moving, plumbing, civil, and that's everything.